Good morning. It's Jared Havens here, your financial freedom strategist and CEO of Credilife, inspiring financial wellness. I just love saying that because what we do every single day. Check this out. April 28th, April 28th, 6 p.m. here at our office in Burnsville. We are hosting an amazing local event. Are you an investor? Are you a real estate investor? Or do you want to get into real estate investments? Do you want to learn more about it? We're doing something that no one else is doing right now. And what that is this. We're bringing in key players to talk about market updates, what's going on in the real estate investment market, what's coming down the pipeline, what to get prepared for. Also, we're bringing a very special guest that works with me personally in helping our clients access business funding for real estate investment purposes, not under your personal, under your business. Because in real estate investment, you are more than likely or should be operating as a business entity. In fact, you can build business credit to be able to access financing under your business entity for real estate investment purposes. It's an amazing thing. So, what we're going to be doing is talking and teaching you exactly how to do that, how to build and leverage business credit for real estate investment purposes. So make sure you register. Eventbrite info is down below. Register. It's going to be here at our office in Burnsville. Looking forward to it. See you April 28th.